right, taking a look at this Chevy 3100. This is a 5-window truck. It's got some of the best patina you'll see. Just amazing patina on this truck. Not a rust-free truck, but a very solid truck. Cab corners, floors, all are in nice shape. You see some areas, bottoms of the fenders, but it's super solid. Really nice. Got the visor, 5-window, S10 chassis. Nice rims on it. Power steering, power brakes, interior. Pre-covered seat, matching door panels. Lokar Shifter, Dolphin Gauges. Love that original steering wheel. All new glass. Battery box in the bed, in the back with the bed. The fuel tank is under the frame. Amazing truck. There's fuel fill right there. Truck's got a motor and tranny of an 04 GTO, so it's a 5.7 LS1 that's been built. Heads, cam, nice tune. 4L60 with a 3500 stall. It's a hot rod truck. 550 horse. Painless wiring, light signals, all that work. Headers, nice exhaust, actually with electric cutout dumps.